there is a hydraulic directional control wheel and a compensation flow wheel. The directional control wheel is only to control these four positions. The four positions I just said: stop, reverse, forward, and stop. And the control wheel, the control flow wheel compensation, just like the same words. Compensation control wheel is the flow control wheel. It is the same part. And the control flow wheel, you can see, we can check, make it from 0 to 9 and 10. There are 10 levels about. You can turn it left. The hydraulic rulers will be slower or stopped. If we change it, turn it right, the ruler will be faster, with faster speed. So this is based on your need and the wood, how big your wood or logs. So you need to check this part. Usually we set it with 5 level. This 5 level in the middle of this. You can use it based on your needs and requirements. Now you can see the hydraulic process to this. There are 2 hydraulic control motors to rotate the ruler's speed and rotating. So this is the bottom, and this is inside here is the upper one, above ruler and bottom ruler. So these 2 rulers are 2 active rulers with aggressive horizontal cutters. It is very aggressive. Small branches or logs can be beaten inside the wood chipping. So the wood chips will be cutted and chipped and drawn from this discharge root. So this one can be push this and turn it, push this and turn it. You can see